Yeah, what's in him from him, Sarah, they and Nina, sa pepe, a pigeon. Yeah, what's in him from him, Sarah, they and Nina, sa pepe, a pigeon, Yam Shirano, Nina, sa pepe, them little Aradian, him no, so far so good.
The day has not been easy at all. We didn't come early, but we have been able to.
But we didn't come to play.
We didn't come to play, yes, sir. We have been able to install the 15 kilowatts. It's even more than 15 kilowatts.
16.5.
16.5 of the solar hybrid system. And you can see the batteries, all of them are.
Yeah, Kevot.
Yes, Kevot. They are lithium. That's the best in the market. So if you get an experience in the like solar home, and they will put you on this setup, forget it. All your items are in a good conditions. Contact Solar, wherever you are in the country, will come and sort you out. Yes. So we are not yet done.
Yeah.
What you see
process,
here,
yeah.
what you see here is a PV surge and the breakers. This is going to protect your solar panel so that in terms of lighting and tender, your system will be secured. And what you have here is the AC breakers, both the in and out. We need to put them on a breaker so that it will protect your device and your household items as well. So this surge and then the breaker, DC breaker is for the first inverter, and this one is for also the second and then the last. Yes, and the batteries, yes, this for this for that, and the batteries, yes, yeah, 15 kilowatts. So the two are powered and yes, to remain 15 kilowatts, sure. So if you get this setup,
No, 15.
it's still 15.
We connected it.
Yes. So they are in a power connection, so it's still 15. But the apartment, we are going to enjoy more storage. Yes. So contact Solar.
Yeah, that is. Yeah.
Thank you.
There's a setup over there, nicely arranged over there. Yes. Good. So it's 100% complete package. The lithium package system together with the hybrid inverters. Sure, alright, so they are on solar. Yes, so you can see there's no much load on the system. Here too, there's not much load on the system. I want to add that. Good. So you can see all the PV that is coming in have breakers, just to make sure that there's no over voltage in the system. There is an AC breaker to make sure that the AC that is coming to be the backup actually come to perform what it does. So contact Solar Home and we will serve you better.